Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Optima Mesh Office Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, mechanism, gas strut, 5-star base, 5 casters, headrest, lumbar support, Allen key, 4 20mm bolts, Part C, 2 25mm bolts, Part E, 4 40mm bolts with 4 washers, Part F. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat base with the arrow on the mech pointing to the front of the seat base. Insert the 4 Part C bolts through the holes in the mech and screw them into the seat base. Once all 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now, attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 Part F bolts and washers. You can now tighten all loose bolts. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut like this. To complete the assembly, position the headrest and secure with the 2 Part E bolts. Position the lumbar cushion between the lumbar support and the mesh back. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, your Optima Mesh Office Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.